that is remember the CARICOM or Central American, their flag usually at Bahamas, I think it's a part of the CARICOM, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have your flag at Monument too.
We just had the conference not too long ago.
What's that?
We just had the conference not too long ago, I think.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. But it's because of the festive month in Belize, all flags flying right now is Belize flag. And we just do half of the tour, which is the more fortunate side of the tour. We now go to the Rum Factory, then we come back and do the other half of the tour, which is the less fortunate side of the tour, but you get to see more, you get to see the downtown, you get to see some of the old historical sites and how different class of people live and like that. Now this is the George Price Highway. It takes you, not George Price, the Philip Wilson Highway. It takes you all the way to the northern border of Belize, Chedamal, Kentana Road. Hello? It's busy right now. And they're part tour right now. See the tour. Not the Chinese anymore. Yeah, India has the biggest population right now. India, China, United States, then Indonesia. So United States has the third highest population in the world, then Indonesia. These are the four most populated country in the world. Now in Belize City, when you're building in the city, you got to drive still 40 to 50 feet down in the ground until it box the rock, and then you build on top. If you don't build like that, your building will sink. Our building built with concrete blocks. Some of them built with concrete, mass concrete. You got to build like that because of hurricanes. These ones built with concrete blocks. These lot of cultivation and these building is because of our festive month. You believe me, yesterday it was so hot and today it's probably like rain last night and help us.
What ethnic group runs the government?
Excuse me?
What ethnic group runs the government?
Well, right now it's Spanish.
Spanish?
Yeah, Spanish is the prime minister, but we have different ethnic group, but they
in the cabinet.
In the cabinet, yes sir. But it's Spanish. Before it was a black man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Dean Oliver Barrow. Now it's Johnny Brisenium. Yeah. But his deputy is a Creole.
Oh, okay.
Deputy Prime Minister. Yeah. The Rum Factory over here, but you got to go all the way around and then come back now. Good will be Chinese, and what they do, if they open business beside you, have a grocery store there, the one beside you and sell for a less price.
Yeah.
Then they throw you out of business. Then they throw you out of business. If you want to sell the place, they buy it. If not, they rent back for you, open up back and sell for the right price. And that's it. Then they got the money.
Chinese shrewd there.
Yeah. But a lot of the Belizean, they end up sell their place and like that. And we do have some Belize that still have businesses and things, but the Chinese make them offer they can't refuse.
Yeah.
They offer them some big money for their place, and they don't refuse it, they take it.
Almost like a hostile takeover.
All this owned by Chinese. That's over there, Caribbean Hotel Chinese. That big building behind it there, Hotel Chinese.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But they were here from back in the days of the British when it started. Because they were first brought here as slaves to cut sugar cane. Right. So they were here from Speed State.
They have risen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But what they do, they borrow money from their country and invest, right? The interest is small. Cheap. Okay. These are the top shelf. These are the service.
Man, that's a pretty bottle.
This is their liquid.
These are some new drinks.
Russian, condensed milk.
These from here, all of them they eat with two barrels. So
You heard about Kashuan?
you have different areas like
Kashuan
Kashuan.
is linked for 10 years. There's nothing you can do for 5 years. There's some house in the world. Why roast it? It's springs up with no cost.
You have the 5 years, then you have the coconut rum. Right, over here is where we these are like
This, it tastes like a pool wine. Yeah.
You get 2 hands out of
this one is the rum cruise like this now.
This is like
I ain't gonna cry about it.
It's just like our eggnog.
Oh, I don't like it.
Eggnog.
You love an eggnog.
And this one here, you see the this drink?
I'll try to
Plenty of ripple.
Yeah. This is the coconut rum mixed with pineapple juice.
Oh, you can't have that, honey.
No, this blackberry wine.
No, I'm talking about the panic for ripple.
So it takes like eggnog.
Yeah, all of them do some American drink, they put it in their coffee.
The eggnog.
Okay.
That's like it's a traveler set.
I asked him when we going back there. I said, we don't have to. We'll put this back until we come back out.
I already know.
Yeah.
I've been through 1,000 of them.
Oh, okay, so you
Yeah,
don't,
we don't have to go back for one.
I'm just going for the footage.
Okay.
You know why it's called casket rum? It shakes like a casket. That's why they call it casket rum. That's why it's called casket rum. The bottle shakes like a casket. Now these are all blow off. These are blown. Right? Down.
Shake. Blow it.
This boat is over 200 years old. I raced with this boat. I used to race with this boat. This boat, I'm the 13-year defending champion with sailing, 65 with sailing, like, label, timber. There. These are
I love it when they in a case.
Yeah, I like that.